KIR 1.5. The Legend of Soviet Fields. The KIR 1.5 is more than just a piece of agricultural machinery. It is a true symbol of Soviet engineering created for hard, daily work in the fields. Its appearance was an answer to the need for reliable equipment capable of harvesting and processing green forage quickly and efficiently. In an era when every ton of feed mattered, the KIR 1.5 became an irreplaceable helper for collective and state farms across the country. The name is simple to decode. KIR stands for Kormois Melchitel Rubiashchi, meaning forage chopper, and the number 1.5 refers to the cutting width of the header. This seemingly modest working width allowed the machine to operate confidently, even in dense thickets of corn or sunflower. Its productivity reached up to 18 tons of green mass per hour, which was considered an excellent result for its time. The KIR 1.5's design was both simple and ingenious. It cut the plants right at the ground, chopped them with a fast-spinning drum equipped with sharp knives, and immediately delivered the chopped material through an inclined chute into a trailer moving alongside. In a single pass, it performed 3 operations: cutting, chopping, and loading, saving enormous amounts of time, fuel, and labor. The KIR 1.5 was typically paired with MTZ-80 or MTZ-82 tractors, machines of the 1.4-ton traction class. Together, they formed a powerful and reliable combination capable of working around the clock. The construction of the KIR 1.5 was extremely simple. No unnecessary complexity, no electronics, only solid mechanical design. Everything was thought out to the smallest detail so that if a breakdown occurred, the machine could be repaired right in the field using just a basic set of tools. Farmers and machine operators valued the KIR 1.5 for its toughness and dependability. It handled both flat and uneven terrain equally well and was unafraid of dust, dirt, or rain. Many recalled that even after decades of service, these machines continued to work, perhaps worn but never failing. That was the essence of Soviet engineering, to build simply, but to build strong. Over the years, the KIR 1.5 became a true veteran of the fields. For generations of operators, it symbolized summer, hard work, and honest labor on the land. Today, you can still find these machines on old farms or in the collections of vintage machinery enthusiasts. Some are still in operation, chopping green forage just as they did decades ago. The KIR 1.5 reminds us of a time when machines were built for purpose, not for show. A time when reliability, simplicity, and endurance were the highest values. It became part of the history of Soviet agriculture, embodying the spirit of hard work and brilliant engineering. The KIR 1.5 is a machine that never failed. It worked where others gave up. And even today, decades later, its name still commands respect and admiration from those who know what real work on the land means. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Soviet Farm Tech, give this video a like, and stay tuned for more stories about legendary Soviet machines.